Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Raise and support the vehicle. To get to the fog light, we're going to remove this 10mm bolt. It also has a Phillips head in here. It'll be easier to get with a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. I'm going to use the trim clip tool to help me pry these out. Once you get it unlocked, it'll come right out. Repeat that for the other one. Get it started with a small flat-bladed screwdriver. Get the trim clip tool under there. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. I need to get to this 10mm bolt right up here in the top. See if it's loose enough I can do it with my fingers. And the other one I don't need an extension for. I can use just the socket and ratchet. Hold the assembly. So the fog light's loose. Pull it down out from inside the bumper. Reinstall the fog light. These two ears are going to fit into these two openings right here. Slide them up into place. And then the top ear goes on this little pin. Get this bolts started in here. Should go in pretty easy. I'm actually going to thread it down mostly with my fingers. It's pretty tight. I'll just take my ratchet and just snug it up. You don't have to kill it. That's it, perfect. Take my long extension, get the bolt in there, slide it up into place, get it started. Just like that. Again, just gently tighten it. Doesn't have to, you don't over tighten it. That's perfect, just like that. If you need to adjust the up and down aim of your fog lights, you can use a Phillips headed screwdriver in here. Turn this left or right. We'll adjust it up or down. Plug this back in. Just clicks when it locks into place. I clip this shield back into behind the bumper. Up just like that. Reinstall the clips, so you want to make sure the center is pushed out, and then you can push the little fingers in, because those will go in through the openings. Push it in to lock it. Same for this one. Sometimes they get filled with dirt. Reinstall this bolt. We go right back up into the plastic grommet it came out of. And that's it. Don't over tighten it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.